नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करुच्ची आपको फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल को। जदि आप आम चैनल को एपर्यंत सब्सक्राइब करना प्लीज प्लीज सब्सक्राइब कर दिंतु। आपणकर छोटिया अवदान गोटे बहुत बड़ भूमिका नेब। आपण आम कंटिन्यूस भाव में रेगुलाली सिटी बीडी एवं डिफरेंट कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम रो कंटिन्यूस क्लासेस प्रोवाइड कर आसछु। आज आ गोटे एपिसोड को आरंभ करूँ। नमस्कार दर्शक बंधु मु ज्ञान रंजन स्वागत करुच्ची आपको साइंस मास्टर क्लास फॉर ऑल कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम सिटी बीडी एनटीपीसी ग्रुप डी ओएसएससी रे साइंस रो जो इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन आछि से क्वेश्चन को डिस्कशन करिया पई मु आज आपन पारे पुणी उपस्थित होइछि। चलंतु आरंभ करिया आउट न करी आज रो एपिसोड। जेवा क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 द सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल क्वेश्चन 1 the subatomic particle that doesn't have any charge is A or an? Option 1 proton, B electron, C neutron, D none of the above. The subatomic particle that doesn't have any charge. All of you know neutron doesn't possess any charge in it. It is one of the part of subatomic particle of atom. So correct answer is option C. Neutron is the correct answer. Go to question number 2. Which of the following is used in electric bulb? Which of the following is used in electric bulb? Option A hydrogen, B carbon dioxide, C carbon monoxide, D argon. All of you know argon gas mixed with a little nitrogen is filled in the bulb under some pressure. So correct answer is argon. Argon is the correct answer for this question. Argon gas is used in electric bulb. Go to question number 3. Chlorine is a major component in which of the following? Chlorine is a major component in which of the following? Option A water, B tear gas, C LPG, D gobar gas. All of you know tear gas, also called lacrimator substances that irritate the mucous membranes of the eyes, causing a stinging sensation and tears. It contains chlorine. So correct answer is tear gas. Tear gas is the correct answer. That's why it is used by the policeman in order to control the people. Tear gas is the correct answer. Go to question number 4. What is brine solution? What is brine solution? Option A excess salt plus water, B silver, C excess ethanol plus water, D excess starch plus water. Brine salt water is particularly a highly concentrated water solution of common salt. So correct answer is A excess salt plus water is a brine solution. Excess salt plus water is a brine solution. Option A is the correct answer. Go to question number 5. pH scale ranges from option A 1 to 14, B 1 to 7, C 0 to 14, D 0 to 7. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14. A pH less than 7 is said to be acidic, and solution with a pH greater than 7 are basic or alkaline. So it ranges from 0 to 14. Correct answer is C. Go to next question. Question number 6. Jet engine works on the principle of conservation. Jet engine works on the principle of conservation of option A heat, B mass, C linear momentum, D. Angular momentum. All of you know jet engine works on the principle of conservation of linear momentum. Conservation of linear momentum expresses the fact that a body or system of bodies in the motion retain its total momentum, the product of mass and vector velocity, unless an external force is applied to it. So correct answer is linear momentum. Option C is the correct answer. Go to next question. What will happen? Question number 7. What will happen to the level of water in a vessel when a piece of ice floating in it melts? What will happen to the level of water in a vessel when a piece of ice floating in it melts? Option A decrease, B increase, C remains same, D first increase then decrease. All of you know the ice displaces an amount of water equal to its mass, and when melted it becomes an amount of water equal to its mass, so the level of water remains unchanged. So option C is the correct answer, remains the same. What will happen to the level of water in a vessel when a piece of ice floating in it melts? Option C is the correct answer, remains same. Go to question number 8. Which of the following is the measure of inertia? Which of the following quantity is the measure of inertia? Option A velocity, B acceleration, C mass, D weight. Mass is the quantitative measure of inertia of a body. The mass of a body determines the momentum of the body at its given velocity. So correct answer is mass. Option C is the right answer for this question. Go to next question. Question number 9. The instrument used to study the law of vibrating string. Option A hydrometer, B sonometer, C sphygmomanometer, D electrometer. A sonometer is a device for demonstrating the relationship between the frequency of the sound produced by a plucked string and the tension, length and mass per unit length of the string. So correct answer is B sonometer. Go to next question. Question number 10. When a bus starts suddenly, then the passenger in the bus tend to fall backwards due to option A inertia of rest, B inertia of motion, C inertia of direction, D none of the above. When a bus suddenly starts, then passenger in the bus tend to fall backwards due to change in inertia of rest. So correct answer is option A. Inertia of rest is the correct answer for this question. Go to next question. Question number 11. What is the approximate distance of geostationary satellite in kilometer from the Earth's surface? Option A 36,000, B 45,000, C 48,000, D 30,000. Height of any geostationary satellite from Earth's surface is 36,000 km. So correct option is A, that is 36,000 km. Go to next question. Energy in the food can be measured in which unit? Energy in the food can be measured in which unit? Option A Kelvin, B Joule, C calorie, D Celsius. The amount of energy in an item of food or drink is measured in calories. So option C is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 13. Ability to distinguish two closely placed object. Ability to distinguish two closely placed object is option A resolving power, B video power, C magnifying power, D distinguish power. All of you know resolving power is the capacity of an instrument to resolve 2 points which are close to each other. So correct option is A. Resolving power is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 14. Which of the cell organelle is present only in plant cell? Which of the cell organelle is present only in plant cell? Option A mitochondria, B cell wall, C cell membrane, D vacuole. All of you know plant cells also have features that animal cell do not have is cell wall. So correct option is cell wall. B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Question number 15. Which of the following is a vestigial organ in human body? Which of the following is a vestigial organ in human body? Option A wisdom teeth, B spleen, C thyroid, D gallbladder. Vestigial organs are basically smaller in size and have either lost their function. Wisdom teeth is a vestigial organ in the human body. So option A is the correct answer. Wisdom teeth is the vestigial organ in human body. Go to next question. Which of the following enzyme is essential for clotting of blood? Which of the following enzyme is essential for clotting of blood? Option A amylase, B thrombin, C pepsin, D renin. All of you know the fibrin threads form a mesh that traps platelets, blood cells, and plasma. Within minutes, the fibrin meshwork begins to contract blood clotting. Protein generate thrombin, an enzyme that converts fibrinogen to fibrin, and a reaction that leads to the formation of a fibrin clot. So, thrombin is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer for this question. Go to next question. Question number 17. Which of the following is a genetic disease? Which of the following is a genetic disease? Option A Down syndrome, B elephantiasis, C asthma, D night blindness. Down syndrome is a genetic disorder and the most common autosomal chromosome abnormally in human, where extra genetic material from the chromosome 21 is transferred to a newly formed embryo. So, Down syndrome is a genetic disease. Correct option is A. Go to next question. Question number 18. Onion is the modified form of option A stem, B root, C leaf, D flower. All of you know the bulb of an onion is a modified underground stem and the layers of the onion modified leaves which store energy for the plant so it can survive in winter. So correct option is stem. Stem is the modified form of onion. Go to next question. Question number 19. Where is urine stored in human body? Where is urine stored in human body? Option A, kidney. B, urinary bladder. C, liver. D, nephron. The urinary bladder is a hollow muscular organ in humans and some other animals that collect and store urine from the kidneys before disposal by urination. So urinary bladder is the correct answer. Option B is the correct answer. Go to next question. Potato is an example of option A, tuber. B, bulb. C, corn. D, rhizome. The potato is a starchy tuberous crop. So option A is the correct answer. Tuber is the correct answer. Potato is an example of tuber. So this was all about today's episode. जदि आपण आमर चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना, इफ यू हैव नॉट सब्सक्राइब्ड आवर चैनल, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल फाइट फॉर एग्जाम यूट्यूब चैनल, सो दैट इट विल बी हेल्प फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन एंड हेल्प अस टू मोटिवेट अस, आमको मध्य प्रेरणा दब। दयाकोरी प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करंतु, ये छोटिया सहयोग टिके कर दियंतु। एति कहि मु रखुची, आमे डेली बेसिस रे आपनक पई वीडियो नै आसछु एवं नै आसुथु। एति कहि मु रखुची। जय जगन्नाथ। आपनक दिन शुभ एवं मंगलमय हो।